Guys, if you look up eye candy in the dictionary, there's going to be a picture of this bike. Take a look at this thing. What a absolutely glorious machine with the fire engine red paint job with the white fenders, the chromed engine covers, the fresh knobby tires, the polished aluminum rims. This was the end of the legendary Bultaco era, late 70s. It was near the end of the run for them. This was their open class big bore motocrosser that guys like Jim Pomeroy made a name for themselves in the early 70s. And I have not seen one. This is the nicest one I've ever seen. It's a Bill Bucholz restoration, frame up, done for Roy Thacker. This is another diamond from the Roy Thacker Collection. Just look at the wheel set, and they're completely dismantled and polished. It's a true frame off restoration. Brand new front tire and tube, still got the hairy nubs on it. Brand new fresh Dunlops that were just mounted last month. The fork lowers were completely restored. The brake system was restored. The forks were rebuilt. Triple clamps were aluminum alloy, polished like chrome. That's a brand new Bultaco stamped front fender, period correct. Bultaco crossbar pad, new bars, new grips, new levers, new front number plate, all new hardware. This is the kind of bike you got to get up close and personal to really appreciate what we're looking at here. Spectacular paint job with 6 coats of clear over the red paint, and it's just beautiful. Bultaco badges on a lot of the plastic and a lot of the parts, and they're proud to be made in Spain. Saddles rebuilt, remanufactured like brand new, brand spanking new rear fender, brand new rear tire. And check out these progressive shocks, man. I measured them. They're 17.5 inches long. Definitely spectacular twin shock look that this thing has. Look at the rear sprocket. Chains and sprockets are brand new. The rear hub's polished beautifully. Get up close and personal on that rim on the bottom side of it. Look at that thing shine, man. Just spectacular. Brand new matching Dunlop on the rear. Engine's completely rebuilt. Frame's completely been sandblasted and painted and restored to brand new. The brake arm's brand new. The chain guide's brand new. The chain rollers are brand new. This is what we call a no expense spared restoration. Look at the side panel on this thing. Just beautiful, beautiful craftsmanship. Look underneath the air box here, back there. There's no lipstick on a pig here. It's just pure perfection. Everything on this bike is restored to a very high level. Show them the case lowers on this thing and the frame rails. The only issue we had anywhere on the bike is the dent. The pipe, when it came to us, had a dent here. So we pulled that out to the best that we could and put a little Balzona on there, metal filler, and smoothed it out. So it looks good. It was not perfect. That's the only thing on the whole bike, and that's just pretty common with a downpipe for that to happen. But the good news is the frame rails still have that factory fresh appearance to them. There's no dents. They're in perfect condition. The engine cases are in showroom, brand new condition. All the aluminum has been polished. All the paint and surface have been painted. The engine's been completely rebuilt from the bottom end up. New piston and rings, new intake boots, new carb to airbox boot. It's a twin plug head. You can see the head and the cylinder has been completely restored, as has the engine cases. So comprehensive frame up restoration, 80 to 100 hours of labor at our current shop rates of $150 an hour. You're looking at a $15,000 work order plus parts to turn your barn find into this showroom quality, really museum quality classic. And it's a big bore 2-stroke, so it hauls the mail. If you have any questions about it, give us a call, 860-454-7024. This is from the Roy Thacker Collection. It was donated to the New England Motorcycle Museum, and it's being auctioned off to keep our museum continuation funds going in the right direction, courtesy of Roy Thacker himself. So bid high and bid often. It's going to a good cause, and this is a beautiful piece. Thanks for watching, and God bless America.